So like I was saying, bring me the motor and the car, and we'll swap the engine over for you. What up, though, people? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm Easy E, and in this video, you can see from the thumbnail, we got a subscriber's car, and we got to do some work to it. She's not all in great shape. The subscriber told me, if you like projects, you'll like this one. So, let's go look around this Ford Exploder, which is a 2013, by the way. So here's the 2013 Ford Exploder. We are tasked with, I ain't gonna get into all that right now, but we got her jacked up because obviously she's leaking a fluid down there. It's not engine oil, it's transmission fluid. We was told that the engine was shot, it was leaking, it was pouring out motor oil from the engine. The engine is dry, but it's pouring out transmission fluid through the transmission. Keep in mind that this is the second motor that was put in this car, so we think when they put it in, they probably damaged the transmission, the seal in there, because the leg is coming out from the torque converter. But I won't know until we pull the motor on this bad baby. I'll let y'all hear it run. We got the battery is dead. It's been sitting since last year. We've been jumping at the mover. Interior is decent. Do need some new door cards. We're supposed to be getting those, but the sunroof leaks water, so I gotta fix the sunroof to do the door cards. What else? Pretty much nothing else. I'll probably end up doing the interior too, for one reason only. Try not to hit the white minor color, and that reason is, like I said, the sunroof has been leaking. Probably got a plugged up drain, and there's water and mold all on the passenger side of this car. In the front and the back seat, as y'all can see, and it's pretty high. So every time it rains, it gets in the car. Me and Roro already checked the sunroof, and it's water up there, so we figured the drain on this side of the car is plugged. So I'll be dropping the headliner, not in the video, not in any video of this car, but we drop the headliner and get those lines unplugged. So hopefully that's the issue, because the seals look good. And like I said, that blew off a long time ago. Chris asked him about this panel piece when he first bought this car. He was driving on the freeway and that piece blew off. Like, we know this car. We know where this car belongs to. Like I said, it's a subscriber car. And about to say, this is the second motor that was put in. We'll be putting in another motor once he gets it delivered, order it and get it delivered. For the simple fact that this motor has a little lifter knock coming from the bottom end. And y'all know usually I don't work on subscribers' cars no more since the last one, if y'all new to this channel. But we're gonna do this favor. Ain't turning down no money. Because everybody, since people started seeing me do motor swaps on my channel, people been asking me to swap their motors over that has engine noise. And I said, why not? I'll swap your motor over for $600. Give me the car and the motor, and I'll do it for $600. We'll do it for $600. So here she goes, she's running. So I know y'all can hear that. a noise coming from somewhere. Y'all tell me what that noise come from. Now I'm thinking it might not be the engine, it might be the transmission. But I won't know until I get the engine pulled out and inspect the transmission, because I can't pinpoint where that noise coming from. And he said you can feel it coming from the motor. Right now it's not leaking transmission fluid. Hopefully she still got some left in her. Yeah, that's the motor. Give her gas, sound get louder. So, the subscribers. Yeah, the transmission is. It's leaking heavy transmission fluid. Battery was dead. This 2013 Ford Exploder. That'll be ripping her guts out, because y'all know how we do it over here at Easy's Rebuilds. I love ripping into these cars, taking them all apart. And they say, why not? They give it to the best of the best. They see my videos, see what I can do. Goes right over there. The Ford Expedition that we did the motor swap on, she's still going strong. It's been a year. So obviously I must know what I'm doing when it comes to some of these cars. So like I was saying, bring me the motor and the car, and we'll swap the engine over for you for the low price of $600 until we raise our prices. But obviously this car has a little bit more than just the engine problem going on, and the door cards and the sunroof has a leaky transmission. But like, we'll get into that one once we get the motor pulled out, disconnected from transmission, and see what's going on, where all that transmission fluid is coming from. Hopefully it's just a seal in the transmission, and we'll be able to replace that seal. So hopefully it's nothing too major. Hopefully we don't got to replace no transmission, but it wouldn't be no biggie once the motor is out, because we make it do what it do, baby. This car been sitting since, like I said, last year. He parked it because he went to the gas station, like he told me, and he came out and there was a puddle up under the car. He thought it was engine oil. No, it's transmission fluid. So I'm not going to be really moving it. I'm going to move it one more time to get it lined up to where I need it, so I can get between these cars. Y'all see the donation Monte Carlo next to it. I don't know what videos y'all might see first, this one or this one. Probably be this one before I jump into this one, pulling that motor. But I need at least a nice gap so I can get in between, so when you do get the engine dropped off over here, I can get it to the garage, because obviously that gap ain't big enough. Better wheel my engine hoist between both these cars. So I might have moved my red baby back a little bit. Y'all know I got cars everywhere. I got cars you haven't seen yet. But like I said, I gotta get this car positioned. So that's gonna be a wrap. Here's the subscribers. 2013 Ford Exploder. And we're gonna do this one, even though I don't like Fords. Try to stay away from Fords. Don't know why. It's just maybe because it's how they try to jam everything up into one little small space. I just don't like that. But y'all seen I worked on the Ford Taurus. I like the Ford Tauruses. A little bit more room in the engine bay. Other than that Ford 500 I worked on. Didn't like that one so much. But with all that said, like I said, so with all that said, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And then give us a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know the outcome or what y'all think the Ford Explorer sounds like. Share this video with your friends, family, and co-workers. Let them know that Easy's Rebuilds is doing engine swaps. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already subscribed. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. We also have merch at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations, and we take donations of cars, just like the one you see behind me, that we've been working on for over a year. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. So you know what I'm doing other than working on cars. I may be doing TikToks on other social media topics that TikTok don't like me doing. So, with all that said, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!